Hello everyone and welcome to another video, and this is going to be the last Beast Diamond painting. I'm nearly finished, and actually in this video I do finish, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you all so much for being so supportive of me. I have taken a couple of polls, both offline and offline, and everyone seems to like the videos where I talk more than the videos where I don't talk. My cold has finally almost gone, so I feel able to do more talky videos, and I think this is where this sort of video is going to be heading now. It's going to be me talking over part, if not all of it, and the rest of the video will then be just music, but I think it's a good opportunity for me to either vlog or to talk about either a book I've read, a documentary I've seen, share my thoughts, even tell stories, something along those lines. And I think that's where this sort of video is going to be heading from now on. And in this particular one, I'm just going to be vlogging because I have some major news. For those of you who are regulars on my channel, you probably have heard me talk about the fact that I have been planning on moving house for quite some time. It seems to have stagnated over the past few weeks, but there has been some major developments just in the past few hours really, and I am moving house, and by the time this video is uploaded I probably will have moved house. So you've probably seen that I have developed a proper upload schedule now. I will hopefully continue this schedule despite moving. I'm going to try and film and record videos and schedule them for upload well in advance, so hopefully there shouldn't be any delay. But if there is a couple of days delay, then you know why, obviously. Moving house is a big thing, and that comes first, and filming videos will come second. However, I will try at least to get to film a couple of vlogs, if nothing else, to keep ahead. So yes, by the time this is uploaded, I will probably have moved house. I'm extremely excited about it. I cannot wait. Fingers crossed everything goes smoothly. And I shall see you all when I have moved the house. So that's pretty much all I was going to talk about on this video. Again, just thanking you all so much for the support, and I can't believe I've got over 1,000 subscribers now. That is absolutely insane. And yeah, just keep viewing, keep watching. I have more things planned. Once I move house and get myself settled in, then I'll be able to do more and bigger things. I have plans for monthly boxes to unbox, review and do crafting things every month. New and different crafting things every month. I've been holding off until I've moved, until I'm able to actually order those in. So they're going to be still sort of like a month or so off, even after I've moved, but they will be coming, and I really hope you like this new style of sort of a semi-vlog. I do still have a few niggles to sort out in terms of recording setup, microphone setup, etc. But they're going to have to wait until I'm set up at the my new recording studio. Once I've got everything sorted out fully, then obviously I'll be able to do an update video and do a tour of my new craft room, do a tour of my new studio, show you what everything looks like. So keep tuned, keep subscribed, hit that like button and comment and let me know what you think, and I shall see you all probably pretty soon. Like I say, there will be a few more videos yet still being recorded in my old setup, just because I want to keep on top of everything, so I'm going to be filming more things over the next couple of days to upload and schedule to tide me over. So I will have moved into my you're sort of in the past here, so I will have moved into my new setup, but that's probably not going to be visible for another few videos yet. I might do a live stream in my new setup once I'm all set up, just to show you what it's all like. This is getting really confusing. I'm going to stop now. So yes, keep your eyes posted. I'll keep you updated of how things are going. And I'm just going to leave you now to enjoy the rest of the video with some nice music, and I shall see you all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. As always, guys, you know what to do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.